When people think of Nebraska, they think of four things: cows, cornfields, flat land, and a whole lot of nothingness. Today, we're going to see if there's anything fun to do in Nebraska. We found this motocross track in the middle of nowhere. Three challenges you're going to be competing in today is a race, a mini bike race, and time trials to see who the overall winner is. And the loser has to buy dinner. Let's get into it. Before we head to the track, we're going to fix up all the bikes.
Okay, so I bought this dirt bike about 6 months ago, and when I bought it from the kid, you know, it's the classic Facebook Marketplace, oh, just needs a card plane, right? Well, I'm sitting here half a year later messing with this carb, and it just gives us problems on problems. I don't know, we'll see if troubleshooting today can finally solve the issue.
Dude. Almost no bikes. If you look, they're both gonna line up with the head, right? Still.
Oh! Okay, well, Adam and Ethan are working on their bikes. I'm gonna work on my bike that I'm gonna be bringing. All we gotta do to this, put some new graphics on it. Very live graphic. Boom! Hey, not bad.
It is now the day of the race, and we were close. We were really close. It needs just a little bit of TLC. You know, it's fixed. It's just not 100%. So for now, shout out to our cousins. He's got a race bike he's letting me borrow. So shout out to Elijah and Cody. Man, thanks for coming through.
Okay, first impressions. I don't know what to expect. I've never been to a motocross.
Huge.
This looks
crazy.
Wait, did I miss the turn?
The mailbox.
Yep.
There's a waiver to print your name and sign.
Yep.
And then after you come through, close the gate back and just.
Peter said he's about there.
Got to sign the waiver. Always sign in. Let people know that you're going in.
Oh yeah, I saw.
And a huge thing to keep these local tracks is open is donations. Even though this is a free track, we will be putting money in because, you know, we gotta support this. If we're ever gonna come out here and use this track, it's only nice to pay money.
Biggest thing that's going on is that a lot of local tracks are closing down. You know, as of late, all around America, people have been closing down. Lack of maintenance, lack of funding. Always support local because these places are going away. There won't be many tracks in the future if we don't keep them up. So while they're still around, let's keep them going and operational.
Don't want to say I got cheaped out on, but they put me on the 110. We're gonna start with a couple warm-up laps and actually get into some of the challenges.
I'm impressed with this turnout. We got a lot of good people. Only one person that is here isn't with us. So I'll kind of have to keep him informed on what we're doing so we don't, you know, get in the way of him. But happy with the turnout, get a few practice laps in. Shout out local motocross tracks. If you're in the local area of Pleasanton, come out.
Dude, this is awesome. The track's feeling good. The weather is perfect. We're just gonna warm up just a little bit more and then we'll start getting it.
Guys, I did not have good riding shoes at all. Yeah, feeling good. Feeling real good. Let's hit it.
All right, very first race.
Right there.
We'll
Stop
see what
right
happens.
Let's go get these races done. Adam, I don't think this is a fair lineup.
Yeah, I kind of have a slight power advantage. Arm up. Give it a second or two, then just drop it. Go and drop it.
Ethan, you're looking good out there.
Such a good dude. This bike is meant for the track. It's loving these jumps.
All right, challenge number 2, mini bikes. See who has the fastest bike. 125 versus a 125 versus an 85 versus a 110. See who got the win.
All right, I'm first up in the time trial. I think I do pretty good. I don't have a time. I'm gonna guess like 3 minutes, 50 seconds. I don't actually know how long it takes me to finish, but that's my guess. If I can get a little less than 3 minutes and 50 seconds, I'll be happy.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, Ethan, you're up.
I'm next up for the time trial. I'm feeling pretty good. Feeling confident.
You
Let's
think
get it.
you think you beat Adam?
Oh, 100%.
All right, 3, 2,
David, you ready?
All right, here we go. Let's do it.
All right, I'll count you down. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
David, look at this. What? Your modifications are not holding up.
I'm trying to do a trick. I do like this, like midair. It came down. I'm like, oh, I'm standing up.
Bam!
Right on my tail.
Are you good?
I think I broke something.
Well, I think you also.
Yeah, I think I broke something.
No, it's just it's a shallow modification, so you can see that.
It's like when you're bored, you like convert this to a frisbee, so you like.
Right. Yeah, this thing's mint.
You know, with
Just-
these kind of things, the less you look at them, the better they are.
All right, done riding. Huge shout out to everyone who pulled up. This was an amazing event. We are definitely going to continue doing this. Shout out to local tracks. Support Pleasanton, Nebraska, or if you have a track local to you, feel free. I mean, I'd highly recommend coming out, but time to get some Taco Bell. Loser pays. Oh, we just got done. We're actually at the same Taco Bell in Kearney. The interior is still closed. I think it's called a cheese grilled steak burrito.
Grilled cheese steak burrito.
Grilled cheese steak burrito. And then shout out Kearney Taco Bell for hooking us up. Even though we're not in a vehicle, they're still allowing us to have service. And they even gave David a free lemonade.
Kearney Taco Bell is the best Taco Bell ever. Shout out Taco Bell. My grill.
Got the food in the bag.
That's pretty much what it says. There's that.
Isn't exactly the Taco Bell lobby,
Oh.
but
Losing all the challenges, lowest amount of points. I pay for everyone's food, so hope they're happy.
guys, thank you so much for watching today's YouTube video. This was so much fun. Thank you to everyone who came out. And also, thank you guys for 3,500 subscribers. I mean, we just started this channel. Thank you so much. This means so much to us. We're going to continue trying to upload as best of content as possible. Until the next time.
It's like, it's kind of like, I'm laying down this whole going, how the